Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen, because we've got some breaking news that will rock the automotive world. Welcome back to Elon Musk Center. The king of innovation, the maestro of technology, the man constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible, has done it again. That's right, we're talking about none other than the one and only Elon Musk. And today, he's leaked information about a new battery that will change the game forever. In a recent press conference, Musk dropped a stunning revelation that has sent shockwaves through the automotive industry. A brand new EV battery that can charge to 80% in just 72 seconds. Yes, you heard that correctly. Not 80% in 80 minutes, but a lightning fast 72 seconds. This breakthrough technology promises to revolutionize the electric vehicle landscape and make range anxiety a thing of the past. But how is it possible? What kind of sorcery has Elon Musk conjured up to make such a dramatic improvement in battery technology? To answer these questions, we need to dive deeply into the science of batteries and how they work. First, let's start with the basics. Batteries are containers that hold chemicals that produce electrons. When those electrons flow through a circuit, they have electricity that can power various devices, from smartphones to electric cars. The key to a good battery is how efficiently it can store and release those electrons. Traditional lithium-ion batteries, used in most electric vehicles today, store electrons in a graphite anode and a cathode made of a lithium cobalt oxide. When you charge the battery, the electrons flow from the anode to the cathode, and when you use the storm, the electrons flow in the opposite direction. The problem with lithium-ion batteries is that they have a limited lifespan and tend to degrade over time. Plus, they can take a long time to charge, a major inconvenience for EV drivers. That's where Musk's new battery comes in. Instead of a graphite anode, this battery uses a silicon anode to store more lithium ions and release them more quickly. In addition, the cathode is made of lithium iron phosphate, which is more stable and less likely to degrade over time. The net result is a battery that can charge much more quickly than traditional lithium-ion batteries, and because it's less likely to degrade, it should also have a longer lifespan. But what about safety? The issue of safety with fast-charging batteries is a valid concern, as the process can generate significant amounts of heat that could potentially lead to dangerous fires or explosions. However, in light of these concerns, Elon Musk has clarified that the new EV battery technology he's developing considers these risks and has implemented several key safety features to minimize them. Specifically, the battery is designed to be fireproof due to implementing a new electrolyte that is less flammable than traditional electrolytes, which can contribute to battery fires. By taking proactive steps to ensure the safety of the new battery technology, Musk is helping to address one of the key concerns many people have about fast charging in electric vehicle batteries. So, what does this all mean for the future of electric vehicles? Well, it's certainly exciting news for EV enthusiasts, I'm telling you that. Faster charging times means less waiting time at charging stations, and a longer battery lifespan means less frequent trips to the dealer for a replacement battery. But there are also some potential downsides to consider. For one thing, these new batteries are likely to be more expensive than traditional lithium-ion batteries, at least initially. And there's also the question of whether they can be mass-produced at scale, which is a major challenge for any new technology. The implications of this new battery technology are significant, and it could have far-reaching effects beyond just the electric vehicle industry. One of the most immediate benefits is that it could make electric vehicles much more practical for long-distance travel. Range anxiety is a major concern for many EV owners, as they worry about running out of charge during long journeys. But with a battery that can be charged up to 80% in just over a minute, the need for frequent charging stops could be significantly reduced, making long-distance travel in an electric vehicle a more viable option. The new battery technology could also affect other industries beyond electric vehicles. One of the biggest challenges facing renewable energy is the issue of energy storage, as well as renewable energy sources like solar and wind, because they're not always available. But the new battery technology could be scaled up and applied to large-scale energy storage. However, many challenges still need to be addressed if electric vehicles are going to become mainstream. One of the most pressing challenges is the need to reduce the environmental impact of the battery manufacturing process. While lithium-ion batteries are much better for the environment than traditional gas-powered engines, they still have a carbon footprint. The production of batteries requires large amounts of energy and often involves using materials sourced from environmentally sensitive areas. Battery manufacturers will always need to find ways to reduce the carbon footprint of their products and ensure that they're sourcing materials responsibly. Another major challenge facing the EV industry is developing new and better battery technologies. While the latest battery technology leaked by Elon Musk is impressive, there is still much room for improvement regarding battery efficiency, range, and durability. Battery manufacturers must continue to innovate to make EVs much more practical and affordable for everyday use. Charging infrastructure is also a major obstacle that needs to be addressed. While more charging stations are available than ever before, there is still a long way to go before electric vehicles are as convenient as gas-powered vehicles. To make EVs more practical, we'll need to see a significant increase in the number of charging stations available and improvements in charging speed and convenience. Governments will also play a crucial role in the transition to electric vehicles. To make EVs more accessible to everyday consumers, governments will need to provide incentives for consumers to switch to electric cars and invest in charging infrastructure and research and development of new battery technologies. In addition, governments will need to work together to develop common standards for charging infrastructure so that EV drivers can easily find and use charging stations when needed. It is worth noting that some impressive advancements are already being made in the world of EVs. For example, the range of electric vehicles is constantly increasing, and several EVs on the market can travel over 300 miles on a single charge. In addition, the cost of electric cars is also coming down, and many models are now being priced competitively with gas-powered vehicles. But despite these advancements, there is still a long way to go before electric vehicles become the norm. The new battery technology leaked by Elon Musk is certainly a step in the right direction, but it will take time and effort to realize its potential fully. The transition to electric vehicles will require collaborative effort between governments, industry, and consumers, and will involve many challenges and opportunities. The new battery technology leaked by Elon Musk could be a game changer for the electric vehicle industry. It could revolutionize the way we think about transportation and energy storage. However, many challenges still need to be addressed if electric vehicles are going to become mainstream. Battery manufacturers will need to find ways to reduce the carbon footprint of their products and develop new and better battery technologies. In contrast, governments must invest in charging infrastructure and incentivize consumers to switch to electric vehicles. If we can overcome these challenges, electric vehicles could play a crucial role in the transition to a more sustainable future. We hope you found this video both enlightening and engaging. You're excited about the future of electric vehicles and want to stay up to date on the latest breakthroughs? And since that's the case, we encourage you to subscribe to us here at Elon Musk Center. Also, hit the notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release our latest videos on the topics. We heavily value your input, so please leave your feedback and suggestions in the comment section below. We're always looking for ways to improve our content and ensure that we deliver the most informative and entertaining videos as possible. As we wrap up, we want to thank you for joining us. We really appreciate your interest in the future of electric vehicles, and we look forward to continuing this conversation with you in the next one. But until then, take care, keep exploring the possibilities of a more sustainable future, and goodbye.